Hello everyone, my name is Florina Sibin, youth senior manager of the Human Resource Department in Company Media Malaysia studio at Klang Valley. Today, I want presentation about success of the flexible working hour. What is flexible working hour? Flexible working hour means to refer the schedule which allow employer to start and finish their workday when they want. This means that employer can to work early or later than the set time. Research on flexible working hour giving people some choice over way and for how long they do their jobs. Mission of the Company Media Malaysia study is creative, innovative, and critical in product the work and always competitive, act and positive for the environment. Improve the quality of the design, shape, creative, printing, photography, and videography so that can competitively compare with the company existing day. Create space and opportunity for the photography or videography part to the shield at the bottom of the company. Read to give them space to use the tool we have available. Improve the life of the surrounding community. During the COVID-19 effect, the economy sector and media sector is one of them. MCO are implemented under Prevention and Control of Infection Disease 1988 and the Police Act 1967. Under the Act, avoid shaking hands or coming into contact with others, spread out at least 1 meter from other people, disable or cover mouth and nose when out of the house, sit at home to avoid a contagion. Global social is forced to change its lifestyle from habit as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. For the economic sector, it also no expectation effect by this contagion. As the manager of the Human Resource Department in Company Media Malaysia studio at Klang Valley, to overcome this problem by using the flexible working hour method of working from home and the rotation system to work is implemented. This is a flexible work schedule plan. With the schedule of work is flexible to maintain and exchange the productive Media Malaysia studio, where employer can work according to a set schedule by working from home and rotation work. There are several types of flexible schedule and working hour that should be implemented to reduce. First, flex time. Second, work shift work, job sharing, part-time, online meeting. Human resource are need to make each assignment to each type of flexible working hour to meet employer need and want as not all types are manageable or worthwhile implement in long run. Firstly, flex time. Empower the employer to choose their own hour and schedule of work. The work will be giving any assignment or standard number of core hours within specific hour given the employer greatly flexible in starting and ending working time. Secondly, compressed work week allow the human resource to reduce 50-hour work week to fewer than 5 days in 1 week. The objective is to achieve the same number of working hours at reduced days a week of working. Thirdly is shift work. To minimize productive by working shift between morning and evening shift. This will help to reduce number of work in the office at one time. Fourthly is job sharing. Allow two part-time employers to commence a test of one full-time position. Job sharing requires a part-time schedule need allowed to accumulate the duty of on full-time position working hour. Fifty is part-time job. To reduce the company costs during the implementation of MCO, the company should reduce the working hour of its employer. If the company are unable to find new skill or job that require great number of employers, part-time will allow the company to retain the employer until the business getting better in the future. Lastly is online meeting. Due to the social distance requirements, it's important to shift from in-person conference to virtual meeting. This will allow the employer or supervisor to have greater control or supervision of each employer to increase the job progress as according. This is Chatapai Task Review Flexible Working from staff. 18.5% to agree and 15% not agree during flexible working hour. That is because morning shift will be service department and operation department. It is because morning until evening is the usual business operation with a lot department work as efficient as possibility. Badness of flexible working hour. Firstly is require internet speed data. This company require high cost for internet usage for the use of employer to make promotion. Secondly, there is injustice in attending work. This is because the company is not able to monitor the progress of employer efficiently. Thirdly, communication problem between employer and customer. That is because confused of information display on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram cause the company to suffer logistic loss. Thirdly, decrease in percentage cause a decrease in salary allocation to employer. Flexible working hour. Firstly, flexible working can reduce work-life conflict. For example, can blur the work and home divide and force some lead to work intensification. Secondly, the idea of flexible working can be more appealing for individuals than the reality. The benefit of allowing people to focus at home need to be coupled with a good support network. Thirdly, reception of flexible are important and evidence suggests that this may constitute as much to engagement and performance, especially take up of a range offering some flexible can signal that employees are valued. For conclusion, the inflation flexible working hour allowed the company to be more flexible in attending the employer need and want. Manager experts stuck to the flexible to deliver their work on time. Requests for flexible working must be handled fairly and staff manager properly for everyone to buy into the different work pattern. This applies within and between team working capability can help in meeting shared objectives.